Okay, we're making a video. Tell them what we're making.
We are making a campfire and also a fort.
Let me hold the camera now.
Let's go. Hiking through the forest. We got some wood over here.
Campfire.
We're starting a campfire right here.
Getting sticks and dirt.
We're trying to find some rocks.
Sticks.
Like that.
And sticks.
Rocks, rocks, rocks. And a couple more sticks with a Mr. Axel.
Ow, ow, ow.
This is my little brother. My sister's right behind him. Now make a bad face. Axel, make a smiley face. Ezra, can you make a face? Ezra.
I'm making a sad face.
Hey, buddy. Ezra.
I'm making like, look what? Ah.
Let's move on to the pond.
Don't touch any plants. They might be poisonous. They might not.
Don't touch anything that can poke you or that you know that is poisonous. Always watch out for that. Hey kids, I found a hole. You guys want to take a look in it?
I have a good piece of wood. Look. I have a
Wasn't
really
that
good piece of
epic,
wood.
kids?
Really good piece of wood.
Look at how big Axel's piece of wood is.
Let's bring this to the fire. Okay?
We're actually trying to make a real fire.
I see you. Real. Make my fire.
This is my little brother right here. Ezra, can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you make a smiley face?
Hey.
And this is Axel. The one and only good guy.
The best.
The best.
And then
The best of the best.
Can you start breaking up this for the fire?
Yeah, kids, you want to help me break this up?
Kind of easy to break up. Not too hard. Here, set the camera down. I'll show you a way to put it. Just screw this off. Put it down on the ground and do it on the ground right here in front of the camera. Yep, like that. That's enough. Now I can put that back on. Screw it on. Could you hold the camera on? Lakota. Now could you go find some big rocks? You go find some big rocks while I'm doing this. Monkey.
Wait, Ezra.
Me monkey.
Ezra, look.
Me monkey.
Ezra, look at the camera.
Me,
Dun, dun, dun.
me monkey.
Here's our new campfire. We got a little bed over here where this little creature thing is sleeping. Dun, dun,
Can I
dun.
hold the camera for a little bit now?
Hello.
Oh no, hello.
You got a bunch of junk in your hair.
Ow.
Sorry.
Okay, let's look for big rocks now.
Got one.
Okay, here's one right here. Lakota. There's the rock you missed. Naya. Where's
Probably
Naya?
went onto the deck.
Now let's say bye to the kids.
Bye, kids.
Bye. Naya. Say bye.
Bye.
We're hiking up here at Latourelle Falls and like we lost Axel. We don't know where he is. This is the main road right here. You want me to come up there? He wants me to come up there.
I just got up here. You can see at the top of the mountain, the top of that tree.
Yeah, you can.
I almost slipped down that rock and like I could have went tumbling down the river.
Oh my goodness. It's a good thing you didn't. Good thing for everybody.
Oh.
Boo! I crept up this way to scare him. Sorry, guys.
Let's taste.
Oh my
A
goodness.
hole.
Hey, I bet a rabbit lives in there. What do you think?
Or a mole.
Or a mole? A fox. A foxy man.
Foxy mole.
Foxy mole.
Super good.
Look.
Food everywhere. I'm
I
hiking
just
with
gobbled up
food.
the leaves.
Weirdos. Bunch of weirdos.
Ooh, that's really sour.
Guess I'm a weirdo too. You knocked him over. You okay?
Go get the camera. Down
Where's the
there.
camera?
Whoa, whoa.
It's right here. You didn't see it?
Sorry.
Axel didn't see you guys.
Thought there was another one.
Oh.
Yeah, focus on being a bear. That's
Axel said he can't focus on being a bear because he's trying to climb up a log so he doesn't fall off into the water. That's a good idea, Axel. You're
Look
smart.
at that.
Smart boy.
Look at that.
Ooh. Is it good? We need to find some more wild edibles.
Taste them.
Good stuff, though. Good stuff. Axel said he needs to show me something. When can I look? Oh!
Oh.
You were leading me into a pit. That's not nice. Wow, that's a for real pit. Something lives in there. You guys want to go in there?
Mouse? Let's put him in.
No, then we wouldn't get it out. The rabbit or whatever it was would make a show now. Push you up. Oh, you're so heavy. Oh, so big. Difficult. Oh, chipmunk, come here. There's a chipmunk right there. Where?
Right behind that steep-looking rock right there. Look, it's down there somewhere. You record.
Oh man, we missed the chipmunk.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, he probably ran away from us.
No, I did.
You think that was Stripes the chipmunk?
No, I
Was it Stripes?
didn't miss
Oh,
it.
you saw it? Axel saw it. That's all that matters. Although we do wish you guys could have seen it. This is nature's bench, right?
Well, I can't reach my feet to the pedals of the bench. Whoa! Daddy! Daddy, help!
You okay? You got it. Oh! He said, and I barely made it. With his bare hands.
Look, there's even some right here.
Look at all this. Hey, let's get this sorrel and let's go over to this secret place that you guys are gonna find out in about a second.
Where? I don't know.
I don't know.
But
All right,
this.
that. Oh, you got the roots. All right, come on. Now we're going to the super special secret
vines.
place. No vines. No vines. Axel, come look at this.
No.
Ah! There you are. Dude, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I wonder what that's called.
Smell this.
Smell good?
Smell.
Ooh. While we're waiting for the super special thing, we're eating some sorrel and a fruit strip, sweet and sour. That's good. Dude, that is so good.
You get half and I get half.
Look at that. Oh look, the surprise is here. that epic or what? Oh my gosh, guys.
A little bit of nectar in this thing, perfect.
You have dandelion all over your face. Wipe that dandelion off. If I trust any dandelion's quality, it's the dandelions that are growing at the edge of this waterfall. Give me a bit. That's good. Mmm, so good.
Oh, snap!
Okay, so Axel just gave me this dandelion, and look at all these bugs in here.
And I just ate some and I didn't even see the bugs. I was
Look at all
like,
those
oh, I'll
bugs.
eat this dandelion. And I probably ate some of the bugs.
Yeah, well, you know, if bugs are on it like this, that
No, I
means
didn't see the bugs, so I just
probably
ate
good
some.
to eat. Bye, little guys. I don't have any problem eating bugs, but I don't know if these are bugs I should be eating. I should be eating this, though. There's another hole.
We can put them right there.
They're going down in the hole. Oh, wait. That hole doesn't go anywhere. We're having way too much fun here, you guys.
No, look, see, it does.
What?
I'm unblocking it, see? Look. Oh, there's glitter down there, look.
That's not a trash can. Somebody threw trash in there.
Dandelion leaf eating contest.
Ooh,
Whoever
dandelion.
can
Okay,
eat
ready?
one first wins.
Dandelion leaf eating contest. Ready? On the edge of a waterfall. Go!
Ah.
You don't like it? Too bitter? Mommy's down there somewhere. Mommy!
I like your new do river. Looks like you have a really bad toupee, Nana. A bit over here. There we go, Riv. She's like, really, Mom? Hi, guys. What do you think of my new hairdo? River, you're just adorable no matter what hairstyle you have. I love you. Mwah. Are Daddy and Axel finishing their nature hike? That's them right there. Hello? No, I'm in the car. Just feeding the baby.
Did you get a good shot?
I did. I got so many good shots.
And I brought you sorrel.
I'm not sure that's good anymore
That's
for me
good.
personally. But
That's
perhaps you
kinda
can save it
gross.
for the next person.
I'm getting a shot of Sarah getting a shot of that sunset.
It has been a beautiful day, and I think it's time to say goodbye. So please, like we always say, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, Columbia River Gorge. Tomorrow, we go home.
Bye!
Look, what? Those are mosquitoes, guys. That's insane. Woo! Scary.